Hello, welcome to Last Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb chicken Alfredo. Start off by melting a knob of butter in a frying pan. Add the bacon. Recipe below as always. Let the fat render out and add the chicken. Start browning that. Season with pepper and some salt. It's really to taste. Keep frying it until the chicken is cooked through. When it's almost done, it's time to start steaming the broccoli or the cauliflower. To the chicken mix, add the garlic, the creme fraiche. That's 2 cups of creme fraiche and 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix it all so that it starts to melt down. And then to this, add 2 bags of spinach. It will wilt, so there's no problem. So I'm doing 1 bag at a time just to get it to kind of incorporate with the sauce and everything. Keep stirring for a few minutes until it's kind of saucy. Well, you will see what it should look like. And then when you feel that it's almost done, it's time to add the Parmesan cheese, or in my case it was ground pandano, but well, hard cheese. Mix it all together, and as soon as the cheese is melted, it's time to serve it. It's up to you if you want to mix the cauliflower with the sauce, or if you do like I did and add a bed of cauliflower to the plate and then put the sauce on top. Either way, it will taste great. So, this is what it looked like. Time for a taste test. There we go, some chicken Alfredo with cauliflower. And if you're Mr. Alfredo, this is not chicken Alfredo, I guess. This is really good. Quick minute in there. Thank you for watching. Bye.